All right, here we go. We got a 2020 Hyundai Kona. I'm going to do a cabin air filter. Cabin air filter, like most cars, are found behind the glove box. All right, and I'm going to install a STP brand from AutoZone. The model is CAF90165P, as in Peter. All right, now it's in the glove box, behind the glove box. So we're going to open the glove box. What I did was I emptied out the contents in the glove box. I know it's going to spill. So put everything on the side. Open that up. There's a little damper over here, or a little shock. Just got to pull this bar and it should snap right out. I have to squeeze the little points over here and this will snap right out like that. Push it up out of the way for you a little bit. Okay. Over here, there's two little knobs, one on each side. Lefty loosey. All right. So you have to just use the other hand just to put the door up a little bit to take the tension off the knobs. And there is one. And the same here. Lefty loosey. They come right out. All right. Of course, they're going to fall out now because I put it in there. All right. Now in here, right there, that's the door right there. All right. Right over here. You squeeze the two little tabs here. Okay. It's two little tabs. You squeeze it. And this cover will swing out. There's a little slot over there. You take it out. And there you're going to see the filter. All right. So I'm going to pull this filter out gently because we don't know what's in there. Okay. On this particular model, the airflow is down. Okay. It usually has an arrow pointing down. This one does not. Maybe they installed it differently. But I'm going to put it out slowly because you're going to see all the debris on top. You see? So the airflow goes this way, hence all the debris that's up on top. So let's pull this out of the way. I'm going to see the goodies. Yep. All the leaves. You name it. It's in there. Okay. That's why we change these things. Let me just see if there's a... No. There's no particular brand. Oh, there it is. See? Air filter, airflow down. All right. So that is correct. You notice that it goes a certain way. Because I think it's the same size. Let me just make sure. No, it goes a certain way. All right, so this is the way it matches up. This way is long. So we're going to go this way, the way it came in and the way it came out. Both arrows pointing down. All right, so I'm going to take this. Point it in there. Put that little bugger right in there. Voila. Okay, so from there, we're going to take this little panel. Just slide it into this little gap over here. This one's going to line up here. And it's going to snap in. Silent snap. You don't hear it. All right. And then the thing over here is to put these little knobs back on. Okay. So we're going to lift it up. Make sure that the hole is past the door. Okay. Then you can put one of these on. Remember, lefty loosey. So I'm going to go righty tighty. Let's just get it in there. A little soft rubber. All right. That locked in there. That'll hold that one while I put this one in. Okay. Same thing. Except this one, I got to push the door up a little bit higher. How's that? One hand. Turn it to the right. That's good. I just went to double check that. And now we're going to push this little damper in there. Or this. I don't know why they have this. I guess so you don't slam the glove box. Kind of gives you a little bit of a tension. You know what I mean? So that just snaps on there. Once it snaps on, then you're good to go. All right. So I didn't even need my little tripod here to show you guys. Or I did it by hand. Okay. So just put the ingredients back in. That belonged in the glove box, and you're good to go. All right. That's it, people. Thanks for watching.